Okay, hello again everyone for another Rod's Random Review. Today it's on the Filtrete Elite Room Purifier by 3M. And here in North Alabama we have allergies, especially in the springtime. I have I'm allergic to tree pollen, and then in the fall I'm allergic to ragweed. So this purifier is for a large room, and I've had it for a while now, and I think I'm really going to like it. I'll do anything to help this tree pollen and ragweed pollen issue that I have. I've gone from taking tablets in the morning, taking tablets at night, using Flonase and things like that. But this serves as both a light noise maker at night. You see there's 3 speeds here. Probably just the speed 1 works well. You can set it on 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours to run. And then in the night, some people don't like that little tiny light being very, very bright, so you can turn that light off. It doesn't bother me at night. But I think I'm really going to like it. The filter is here. You can kind of see how that works. Could last as much as a year, depending on how many hours you use it per day. But I will move this from room to room, since it is just a room purifier. It is for a larger room. Like I said, it costs about 200 bucks, I think, at Lowe's. And when you're having issues of trying to sleep at night, things like that, you'll try anything. So far so good. This seems to be helping. To tell you the truth, it's kind of hard to tell, but I know the air's cleaner, so that's got to help. So hope you like another Rod's Random Reviews. Thanks for watching.